Hi, this is Kapil. Burgers. Well, I'm obsessed with burgers, but then who isn't? What I love the most about a burger is that it's a great fun food for everyone. I'm making BBQ Grilled Paneer Burger. Let's start. So first, I'll slice it vertically like this. So here I have barbecue sauce. So I'll first apply barbecue sauce on this paneer slice. Apply it generously on all the sides of this paneer block. Coat it nicely on all the sides. And next, here I have breadcrumbs. I'm gonna coat breadcrumbs on all the sides of this paneer piece. And just press gently with your hands. And this giant paneer block is ready to be grilled. So next, the grill pan has to be nice and hot. I'll add little oil and spread it nicely in the pan, and carefully I'm gonna place this paneer block in the center and let it cook at medium flame on all the sides till it is nice, crispy and golden brown in color, and time to flip. So let it cook on the other side as well till it is nice and golden brown. And this paneer is done. So first, in the same pan, I'll add cooking butter, and once the butter is melted, I'll add burger buns. So just for 1 minute, I'll make it nice and crisp and brown. And the burger buns are also nicely toasted. So now comes the fun part of making the burger, which is just the layering. And first, on the base of burger bun, I'll spread mayonnaise. And after mayonnaise, I'll add a lettuce leaf. I'll place paneer. And because the barbecue sauce is an important ingredient here, so I'll add little barbecue sauce on the paneer as well. And mustard sauce. You can add any sauce which you like. Little salt and pepper after adding onion and tomatoes, pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. And on the other part of the burger bun, again I'll apply mayonnaise. Just spread it nicely. It's a complete vegetarian burger because the mayonnaise is also eggless, and some barbecue sauce. This will seal the giant barbecue grilled paneer burger. And it is ready. So do try this easy and quick yummy burger recipe, BBQ Grilled Paneer Burger, at home and share your feedback with me. Till then, take care and goodbye.